do this real quick and we can go. Say hey, Keita.
Hey.
Hey. Okay. So I'm gonna have to do it myself because I know you don't feel good. I'm just do what made me hate women helping other women. I know that seems so rare because that doesn't happen, and I can't say I had it happen a lot of times in my life, except for maybe about 6 years ago, 5, 6 years ago, where I met a lot of great women. You know, great women, helpful, sweet, informational, tell their testimony, have your back. One of my ladies, I do her sister, and her daughter, they super tip after paying me to do their women helping other women. And those are blessings for me and my family because I don't require a tip. But the reason for the video is one of my little media men, which is my son, who goes over some of my stuff. He heard, I'm gonna move over here so you can talk on the phone. He seen something that he couldn't pull back up for me because I guess they took it back down. Ooh. So I told him don't worry about it, but I'm going to, and was advised to clear the air because I know it seems so rare. So women helping other women, have a sale going on. So I made sure I gave it to my clients first because I didn't want to be helping other women. I got so many great women around me that just been there for me, showing love. Some of my clients need help, some of them didn't. But I've always been a blessing with my business because God has been so good to me. And my mom and my sister, they hate it. They say you get deals on deals. That's because I've been blessed, and I don't mind being a blessing. I meet a lot of great women, lose their hair all of a sudden, cancer, illness, all these different things that some people don't have to go through, so they don't know and they take it for granted. But I am so thankful to have met a lot of women and they share their testimony with me. I have women that have just lost their legs all of a sudden, lost their eyesight all of a sudden, all these different things where we have cried with each other, prayed with each other. I just been really blessed. So I don't mind being a blessing. I know I'm going to run across a lot of different crazy people, but I'm praying that God bring me other women that I can help. And no shade on another one. I've been doing this since 2004. And I do men, women, and kids. And people with cancer, alopecia, and lupus. This is serious. A lot of people, they travel for it. They want it to look a certain way. So they come or they call me. We deal out of state, on the phone. However it go, it's always a good experience for the both of us. I never take it for granted. So I don't mind being a blessing. I want women to look good coming in the new year or being in the new year already, just going down this new year, looking good, feeling strong. Because appearance to some people is a lot. And they treat you a certain way when they see you and you don't look a certain way. So I have women that I know that have kids and they can't afford hair pieces, and they put themselves last. It ain't necessarily that they can't afford it. They put themselves last. So they go without, or their hair go without. And I want to be a blessing. So they say, oh, it must be a scam if you got to put a deposit down. Yeah, you do. You got to put a deposit down because I assure me and my client's safety. For anybody that come to my location, I'm very private. All my visits are private. Everything is private. So yes, some business you don't require a deposit to come, but the deposit is put towards your hairpiece. So, and a lot of people, yeah, you got to pay for a wig outright. Not with me, you don't have to. I'm going to help you get it, no matter what it is, no matter how long it take. I'm going to help you get it. I'm that type of person. But I'm not going to, the piece is basically you have it on layaway. And I'm helping you get it. We just take our time with the creation and making and paying for it. I'm not like, oh, you don't have all the money. Some people, it could be a gift to yourself for Christmas and you want to put the money down for it. A lot of moms that I know, they can't even reach me. I want this video to hit them. I have friends, they got cousins like, oh, Lily, tell her. And people don't pass it on because they don't want you to know or something like that. I'm just hoping that it gets to somebody who needs some help. Because a lot of people, when you feel good, you look good. And that's just that. And first impression is everything. And when you're a mom, you put yourself last, and it kind of drains us when we don't have the energy. And for me, it gives energy. You know, it gives energy, it gives life. So I want to be a blessing. Women helping women. I have a lot of women that came through my life, and I've connected them together for anything, and it helps. And we don't have a lot of that in our cultures. We have a lot of hatred. Like, it's other women that do wigs. And my clients, I don't make them come to me or have them come to me. I don't see clients for a year or two. You go to whoever you want. Some people do their wigs at home. Just call me when you need me. You don't have, you're not stuck with me. Some people like the way somebody do this. Our culture, what one of my Caucasian clients say, she said with our hair struggles. Somebody told her any black girl can do her hair. Wow. I laughed. She was right. We have had hair struggles. It made us all know how to lace and stuff. So, you know, whether it's something that we just do for a hustle or we actually went to school for it, it's something that we all know how to do. Every culture has its thing, you know, Africans, Arabs, everybody has a thing that all of them do, you know what I mean? Mexicans, you know. So, you know, this is the thing. I don't mind making people beautiful, from men to women. I have a lot of testimonies that come through here, and I'm just thankful to be able to be used what God gave me to give to use. It don't cost me anything but time and patience and understanding. When I get somebody who don't understand the life, it can be a full consultation if they like, and we just go from there. So if I can be a blessing, call me, email me. No matter where you at, no matter what state, you can come to the shop. It's private, or I can come to you. But you definitely have to hit that button to make the appointment. Also, we just go over everything as far as your measurements, your color, your length. What you want it to look like. You want a bald head hairline, you want a full hairline, you want a custom hairline, what length, all of these different things to make sure we get exactly what you want to look for. You want a wig you can swim in, work out in, you want to take it on and off. Whatever the details is, I measure pieces and I make them strand by strand or however it is that you want to look like. I hope you guys have a blessed new year, that everything is going your way and that you feel good no matter what. But if I can help you a little bit with assistance of feeling better with whatever you're wearing on your head, just give me a call or an email. And thanks for watching.